Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a starter here and I'm going to show you how to test your starter, how to pull it apart, how to repair it, if you need new brushes or different parts of the starter. If you can source parts for a starter, this will help you get your starter back up and running. Obviously you've got an O-ring, you've got your outer shell, and you've got your inner shaft here, but you also have some electrical components. You've got brushes, you've got all the wiring inside. This one here I removed from an ATV because all the teeth on this gears are all broken out of here and it's just no good anymore. The O-rings are replaceable, so if you need a new O-ring, if you're getting oil leakage or water into your engine, check that O-ring, make sure it's still good. Alright, so just remove the two bolts on the case and you can pop this apart. You do have bearings up here in the front. You've got a little O-ring gasket there. In the back is where your brushes are going to be, and normally this is the part that I would pull off, not the front, but you can check the front as well. But in the back here are these little brushes, and if any of these little brushes are worn down too far, they're not getting a good connection, then you can unscrew them and get them replaced with new brushes. There are some places where you can still get brushes for starter motors like this. I did one years ago where I had to replace the brushes on a starter. But then reassembling this is a little bit tricky, so you may need a couple hands to hold them. You gotta get the springs in there, depress back so you can get your brushes back into the slot, so then you can slide your motor back in there. Obviously on this starter it's bad. The magnets are coming off the case and some of them are broken in there. I'll go ahead and pull this apart and show you. Got a couple washers, snap ring, but just pop these out. You can see these magnets are not glued to the case anymore, so in this case I would just buy a whole new starter, which is what I did. I replaced it on the ATV that this came off of, but these magnets are just broken apart. This is no good anymore. This is all stripped out. I don't know, but I think you can source this inner shaft part. I haven't looked around for that, but I do know you can source these brushes in the end cap. So that's kind of what the starter looks like, inside of a bad starter at least. Broken magnets, the case, it's all dirty in there. You've got magnet particles all over the place. The end shaft here is all torn up on this starter. When your starter binds up and it's not cranking anymore, you'll want to pull your side cover off like I showed in this video here, just to check, make sure that starter or the engine is moving freely. You can pull the starter out, rotate it by hand to make sure it's rotating easily. You don't want anything bound up. You can also voltage test on the starter as well to make sure that that is good. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you in the next one.